Hey YouTube, Mike with Old Iron. Told you guys I was going to try to get some more content out and working on a couple different projects. I'm out in this shop almost every day, and honestly, man, I get preoccupied and I forget to record anything. I start working on something, I get in a zone, and before I know it, it's too late to start recording. So before I even start, I'm recording. We're going to give this a bath today, but we're going to do something else. This is a road beast. It's a 96 Cadillac Fleetwood executive limo. And I originally picked this up. My other business, we were doing a lot of traveling, going to a lot of trade shows and expos. And we needed something that would haul 6-8 people on a regular basis. I was looking for like a Yukon, like a Suburban Expedition, conversion van. Couldn't find anything, and I kept coming across this online, and we just happened to be out that way one day, and I went and looked at it and ended up driving it home. When I bought it, it had 63,000 original miles on it. It's got the LT1, so I mean, it's a good motor. It's not that damn boat anchor North Star. That's basically what sold me on this. I figured if I didn't like driving it, I was going to pull the motor. I got it right. This is as dirty as this car's been since I've owned it. I've owned it for about 3 years. But I'll show you what we got going on. 90s clear coat, man. You know? And I'm hoping you can see this. But the clear coat's peeling on the top of this fender. On the center doors, which I'm guessing they use different paint or a different clear coat, because if I'm not mistaken, both of them are doing it. You got it here, got it here, got it going across the top here. Back door's fine, and then the rear upper quarter, we got the same thing. And then the thing that scares me the most is this back trunk. All right, now I know the proper way to do this is sand it down, repaint it, re-clear it. All right. I'm either going to wrap or paint the car next spring. So I'm just, man, I'm looking for a quick fix. So I'm going to try something. I'm going to try it probably either on this panel here or this here, because it's the two smallest panels. And I'm going to try to lightly sand it with maybe like 1500 grit, wet and dry, and feather out the clear coat. And then I'm just going to mask it off. I'm going to try re-clearing it and see what it looks like. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not. Honestly, it's my daily driver. When I don't feel like driving the truck, I hop in this. I'll take it to the auto parts store. Yeah, I mean, it don't matter. I've taken it to the grocery store. I take it to car shows. I mean, not to show it, but just to go to the car shows. It's the most comfortable thing you'll ever drive and riding. At least that I ever have. I'm sure there's, you know, McLaren, you know, Audi, you know, Mercedes. I mean, I'm sure there's other vehicles out there that drive and ride a hell of a lot nicer, but I mean, this is mine. So we're going to clean her up. We're going to wash her, wax her, and well, we're going to wash her, and then I'm going to figure out what we're going to do with that, and get this thing looking like it's not been sitting underneath the tree forever and a day again. All right, we'll see you soon. I'm gonna get her cleaned up, and then when I get her in the garage and we start doing this, I'll start the camera again. All right, see you soon, guys. Hey guys, Mike with Old Iron Automotive. Wanted to give you a tip of the week. Working on cleaning the car and figured this would be a good opportunity. Everybody knows what this is, and everybody, when they wash their car, they use it. They use it on their tires, on their dashboard, their seats, whatever. I'm going to show you what I learned. Okay. This is a road beast. It's a 96 limo. It's a Fleetwood. It's an exec. It's nothing special. But this is showing up on camera. All right. This is what happens when you use it on a dry vinyl top. All right. You can see almost like the grease spots, the dry spots. And years ago I worked as a detailer at an auto shop, and something I learned, I didn't believe it, so I went back and researched it. If you look up the chemical compounds of this, easiest way I can explain it is it's pretty much Elmer's glue and water. All right, there's no protective properties, regardless of what they say. That's my opinion. Everybody's got theirs. I'm going to show you what I've done since I've been a kid, and you got to take it from an old guy. Sometimes we know tricks. So what you want to use, you want to have this in your garage and not for lonely moments. All right, and I'm going to show you the difference, and then I'll cut the video and I'll show you a picture when when I actually get done with it. But see this back corner? You can see the line where I stopped. All right, and I did this about 20 minutes ago. All right, and no, my vinyl top is not perfect. I've got a couple cuts, and it's just an old car. But you can plainly see the difference. Now, petroleum jelly, I mean, you stick it on your baby's butt. I mean, you know there's nothing harmful in it. And it goes the same for vinyl. It'll treat it. Now, do you want to take handfuls and glob it on? No, just take a rag. I'm gonna see if I can do this one-handed. I'm holding the phone. And all you're doing is just a little bit like that. All right, and then just come in here, and I mean, you don't want it like that. You just keep working it in until there's nothing left to work in. Is it easy? Are you going to do it in 10 minutes? No. But what it amounts to is you will get a softer top that won't dry out as fast. It'll get clean. And you just keep doing it. And it'll take forever and a day. But it'll look good. It'll stay looking good. It'll protect your top. And you'll get longer life out of your vinyl. So I'm going to wax on, wax off, and come back and show you the actual finished product. Well, guys, she's clean. Now I want to show you how this came out on the dash and the top. If you look at the dash, it's 1,000 times better, man. I mean, really. And then if you look at the top, top's nice and shiny, it's smooth, it's not sticky. I mean, you can go like this and you really don't get anything, any film or anything on your hands. So if you like the video, like and share, follow us. We're gonna have some more stuff coming, and we'll see you soon.